This weekend's video picks right up where last week's video left off. We just pulled the camper into the driveway and it's time to hook up the electrical and make sure the air conditioner does in fact work before Ellis and I get to spend our first night out here.
You can pull down. There you go. Okay. Alright, I want to see if the air conditioner will work.
Yeah, me too.
Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Sarah, and that's Ellis. We love to adventure in the great outdoors, and we have seen a lot of beautiful places over the last few years. We have hiked, camped, and splashed in some truly amazing places. We don't know where all we will get to visit in the future, but we want to continue adventuring, and we've decided to take you along with us. Our next adventure is the one I am most excited about yet. Meet our truck camper. We just bought this amazing 2002 Lance 815. It's in pretty good condition for its age, but it still needs some improvements and renovations here and there in order to become our perfect adventure rig. Follow along to see where our adventures take us next.
Well, that's not good. Well, looks like we're going to have to work on that, huh? Turn that thing to the off position. What happened? It just tripped the breaker.
I guess. Turning the fan on.
Turn that air conditioner to off.
So, the day took a turn. Air conditioner wasn't working, so I tried turning the fan off. And now nothing is working. It's good.
Let me get down here. So we have no power.
Right.
Huh?
Right. Now it's going. Did it come unplugged?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't think this is going to work still.
Yeah.
Air conditioning.
Did it work?
Uh-huh. Alright, let's go to cool.
Yeah, let's go to cool.
Alright, cool. See if she works.
Put an arrow.
Oh yeah, she's cool.
Well, hi friends, happy weekend and welcome back to another video. Oh my goodness, it may storm. I'm just finding out. Well, this weekend I'm just really excited and celebrating the fact that we have the camper here now. With that in mind, this weekend we are going to be really enjoying the camper for the first time, and we're going to be taking it on its first adventure, our first overnight in the camper. I plan on just kind of having a dry test run tonight. It's been a long weekend of working on the camper, getting things ready. So I just want to spend some time enjoying the camper and having a nice quiet evening. So that's what Ellis and I are going to do, and I thought I would take you guys along for that. I'm sure you're excited as I am. So let's go on in. Well, the first thing we are doing for our cozy evening in the camper is actually leaving the camper. Mom and Dad live nearby and they invite us over for a fajita dinner. So we're gonna do that. And then we'll go back to the camper and resume our fun, relaxing evening there. So disaster has struck. The door is not working. It just fell out of the lock. I knew I needed a new one of those. Alright, thanks. Alright, so the doorknob now needs to be replaced. This piece decided to break off. The door has two locks, a deadbolt, and then just the lock on the handle, which is what I normally use. It just popped out when I tried to lock the door here a minute ago, so I can use the deadbolt to lock and unlock the door, so we'll be fine, safe in here for the night. So the plan is back on. So, back into relaxation mode. Let's try it. Let's see if we can do it. Alright, we are now locked in for the evening, so it's time to get cozy in here. Ready to get cozy? Yeah? Alright, so we made it through our first night here in the camper. The air conditioner was a true champ. I will say, I think I'm going to try taking the mattress protector back off. I have one of those like vinyl plastic-y mattress protectors. I was super hot all night where like on my back where I was touching the mattress, and I could tell Ellis was pretty warm too. So I think I'm going to try taking that off and see if it
does the trick, but now it is definitely time to make some coffee to feed Ellis and then go out and just enjoy our morning outside like we do pretty much every morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is certainly not the video I was planning on making. I was not anticipating all these twists and turns and near disasters that we've experienced in the last 24 hours. But honestly, at the end of the day, I still think it was a really successful first night in the camper. We were able to get a really good night's sleep, even though the mattress was super duper hot. We were able to be safe even though the lock broke. We were able to have air conditioner even though it didn't want to work at first. So everything that seemed like it was going to be a disaster ended up just seems like being a near disaster. And oh my goodness. Okay. You should be good now. There, even that though, near disaster. Ellis's leash almost knocked you guys flat on your faces, but you're fine now. So I think it was a successful first night here in the camper, and I'm really glad to have brought you guys along with it. I really enjoyed it. Ellis seemed to do just fine in there. She's gotten herself tangled around a bush now, so I guess I will go free her. I'll probably just end the video here. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure you're subscribed. Again, thank y'all so much for watching. See you again next weekend. Bye for now. What have you done?
Hello.
I keep forgetting the stupid battery. Just what? You being good? You being good?